Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Check plus M plus 8. Checkmate. Checkmate. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you. And welcome again to our program, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you had an enjoyable weekend. I know this lady did. She is returning to our program. On our last show, she won about $3,700 in prizes, and her name is Gina Traynor. It's good to have you back with us.
Good to be back, Alex.
Well, we didn't have your opponent around for long on that last show. He beat you in one game only, went into the winner's circle, base time, won a brand new car.
Right away.
You could do that today, or it could happen to this fellow,
That's
your
right,
opponent,
that's
Kurt
right.
Bonin. Hiya, Kurt.
How you doing?
I'm okay. Where are you from?
Well, I'm originally from Chicago. Moved here about 2 years ago.
What you do?
I'm going to school at Cal State Northridge, and I'm also a professional juggler.
Juggler?
Yeah.
Oh, could you show me some tricks during the commercial break?
Sure.
Not right now. We want to get into the game, but a little later on.
Okay.
I'll find some items for you to juggle.
Okay, they did that yesterday, so.
They did?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I wasn't around.
Aw.
Okay, let's take a look over here. Oh, something pretty.
The classic look K Jewelers 14-karat gold silk rope necklace and bracelet. Handmade for consistent quality, luxurious in feel and appearance. Furnished by K Jewelers. Alex.
Terrific, Gene. Thank you. Marjorie? Those Lee press-on nails look great, too. Kurt and Gina, let's take a look on our game board, and we'll show you where you can find the gold bracelet and necklace. Easy to remember, it's at number 1. We have a holiday in Cancun, Mexico, and we also have $500 in our cash pot, Kurt, and you pick first, please.
Okay, let's see if I can find a match to that prize under number 6.
Wild card.
All right, that's the way to start. Okay, I think I'm gonna go hunt for that trip under number 13.
Dead center for a coffee maker.
Okay, I can use that. I love coffee.
Ready? Kurt, the other coffee maker can be found on the bottom line at number 24. It's now in position behind you, and we'll open 3 panels for you. Select again.
Okay, let's open up the right-hand corner under number 5.
Red tape.
Red tape. Okay, I could use that for some insurance later on. Let's try number 14 for the match.
Telescope. No match there.
I
Gina.
like that telescope. That'd be great. Okay, let's see what's under number 4, please.
Sleeper sofa.
Sleeper sofa. That's great. I could use one of those, too. My house is so small. Number 16, please, for the match.
How small is your house as you make the match?
Kind of small.
Too small for a regular bed?
Well, yeah, it's an apartment mostly, so
I see.
it's small.
All right. Let's open these 2 panels and see if
Okay.
you can't win this sleeper sofa. Select again, Gina.
Okay, let's see what's down in the lower left-hand corner, number 21.
Red tape.
Oh, and I think I know where that match was, and I could use it. Number 5, please. Yes!
Number 5. And I know exactly why you wanted to get this red tape. You want his coffee maker.
Yes,
You want the coffee maker?
No, I don't. You can keep your coffee maker.
Thank
I'll
you,
save my
thank
red tape.
You don't want the coffee maker?
No, I don't drink coffee. I really don't.
Don't you have friends who drink coffee?
No, I don't have any friends. No, I can.
Poor girl.
No.
Well, we'll keep it for later.
Okay.
Open it up. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 10, please. Ooh, green tape. I could use that too. Let's go for 17 for the match.
It's going to be a match. You got the wild card. The other green tape, lower right-hand corner. You now have them both.
I really don't want the coffee maker. I promise.
I didn't say a word.
I know.
I didn't even
Thank
try
you,
to
Gina.
talk you into taking the coffee maker.
Okay.
Did I? Did I say a word?
No, you didn't. I just assumed.
Don't assume.
Yeah.
That's what
You know
killed
what?
my first marriage.
Oh, no.
Let's open these 3 panels. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 3, please.
Cash pot,
Ooh,
$500.
I can definitely use a cash pot. And let's see what's under number 23. We haven't seen that yet.
Wild card. Didn't you win $600 in the cash pot last Friday?
Uh-huh.
Whoa, lady is good. The other cash pot. Will it help?
Whoa.
It should at that position.
It should.
Let's find out right now. Select again.
Oh, okay. Shoot. I'd like to see what's under number 12, please.
Natural matches only from now on. Cancun, Mexico.
Cancun, Mexico. And I don't believe we've seen what's under number 20 yet.
Cancun, Mexico. Now, Gina, a few moments ago,
Give me a chance.
just before you selected those two numbers, you did one of these.
I knew what the puzzle was.
You know what the puzzle is?
Yes.
Well, then, let me give you a little bit of advice. You are sitting here with 2 takes, and he has a prize. Now, it ain't a big trip. It ain't a multi-million-dollar prize, but it's a nice prize.
I'm sorry, Kurt. I'll take the coffee maker.
That's okay. What can I do?
Gene.
What can I do?
I'll find
Gene.
friends to make coffee for.
We finally got rid of the coffee maker. Okay. Gina, can you solve this puzzle?
Yes. Put on your thinking cap.
Is it put on your thinking cap? Come up with the right solution. If you do, you win the game. And you had to win it. You had that one strike against you. Let's go to the board. This is great.
Thank you. Okay, we've got the put on and off, actually. Put on your Y and a or. The ink, think, king, cap. Put on your thinking cap.
Now, there wasn't too much of that showing at the time. What gave it to you? Was there any one piece of the puzzle?
I got
in particular?
thinking, and then I saw the socks, and that was throwing me at first, but I figured he was holding on to his cap, so I thought thinking cap.
All
That's
right,
what
well,
gave it to
good
me.
for you. Kurt, one strike against you only.
one.
So that means you're going to get to play in game number 2, and it's going to be a very important one for both of you because each of you has a strike against you. We'll see you in a little bit.
See ya.
All right, Gina. Got some good prizes. Gene's going to tell you. He loves doing this, too. Gene.
Our cash pot worth $500, a coffee maker, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a coffee maker or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a sleeper sofa. The Lazy Boy Signature 2 Sleep Sofa with deluxe innerspring mattress featuring a wide variety of fabrics suitable for any decor. Enjoy elegance by day and comfort by night, furnished by Lazy Boy and Cancun, Mexico. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Cancun, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Fiesta Americana Condesa Cancun. Clear turquoise waters, powdery white sands, impeccable service for your dining pleasure, sophisticated relaxation, furnished by Fiesta Americana Condesa Cancun. And Gina, these prizes are worth $3,923.
Interesting. In each of the 2 games you have won, you won a trip and the cash pot.
Yeah.
You got over $7,500, and you get to play for a brand new car right after we take this break. We'll be back in a minute. No, Marjorie. Hey, folks, all mine, and the gray hairs have been honestly earned, right, Gene? Okay, let's go to work. You ready?
Yes.
15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on your clock. Good luck, off you go.
1, 4,
Nope.
7, 10,
No.
13, 2,
No.
5, 10,
No.
7, 5,
Right.
8, 11,
No.
4, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
4, 3,
No.
2, 14,
No.
6, 9,
No.
11, 12,
No.
14, 9, 15.
There's the strangest thing. You didn't make the match on the charade, and that seemed to drive you crazy because you were looking to make that match. You went all over the place.
Yeah, I did.
I think we ought to go up there and just beat up on that charade.
Yes, we should.
Yeah, because it caused you no end of problems. But you didn't have any problems in the two games. You won $7,681 in prizes, including 2 fabulous vacations and a lot of cash, too. Another game coming up for you after this. Well, now each one of our contestants is vulnerable, as you can see. There's an X in front of each one, and that means this game becomes extremely crucial. If Gina wins it, of course, she goes into the winner's circle with 45 seconds on the clock. If Kurt wins it, he goes in there with base time of 35 seconds. Let's get to work and show you one of the prizes.
Snark Sun Chaser 1. Roomy, high-performance sailboat, carries 4 passengers, converts to row or motorboat. It's furnished by Snark Boats. Alex.
And where can that sailboat be found on our board? Upper right-hand corner. Easy to remember that. It's at number 5. Only one wild card in this game, Kurt, but we have a vacation in a Costa Rican resort.
Okay, let's see. How about number 3, please?
Royal Rotisserie.
All right, let's see if the match is under number 13.
Diamond pin, no match. Gina.
Okay, let's open up the corner at number 25, please.
That's a corner, and we have his and her tennis wear.
Okay, and let's go to number 16 for a natural match, please.
Is it there? Yes!
Woo!
Oh, how about that, Gina? Way to go! And that tennis wear, by the way, is rather attractive.
Oh, great.
Very nice stuff. I think it's Sergio
take tennis.
Tacchini's.
Ooh.
Open it up. So, you'll pick again?
Okay. I'd like to see what's under number 4, please.
Broiler rotisserie.
We saw that before. And let's go for a natural match under number 2.
Nope, dining room.
Thank you very much, Gina.
Kurt?
All right, I think we saw that under number 3.
Broiler rotisserie.
And the match under number 4, please.
You are correct.
Very good.
3 and 4 in this case are a match. And they will reveal a little bit of the puzzle. Or will they? Yeah, they do. Good. Select again.
Okay, let's try the corner under number 21.
Mattress set.
Mattress set. Let's go for the natural match or a wild card under number 6, please.
Dining room. No match. Gina.
Okay, I think I saw that dining room under number 2, please.
You most certainly did.
Yay, and the match under number 6.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay for a dining room.
Yay.
Open it up. Select again.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 9, please. Ooh, red take. That'd be nice. And let's see what's under number 11. I don't think we've seen that yet.
Mattress set.
Ooh.
No match.
Okay, I think we saw that mattress set under number 21. And the match under number 11, please.
You
are correct. And you've got 2 prizes up on your side.
And once again.
And I'm not sure I remember to mention, but I do believe, and my producer can correct me if I'm wrong on this, do we have just the one wild card in this game? Yeah, I neglected to mention that. I'm very sorry. Okay. But each of you has come up with 2 matches, and Kurt, you get a look at the puzzle again right now. And this, of course, is a crucial game because each of you has a strike against you. Select, Kurt.
That's right. Okay, number 7, please.
Savillon is green take.
Let's try number 18 for the match.
Microwave oven. Gina, over to you.
Okay, let's see what's under number 15, please.
Costa Rican resort
that'd be
vacation.
Great. And let's look for a natural match or a wild card under 24.
Whirlpool bath.
That'd be great, too.
Yeah. Kurt?
Okay, I'll try number 19, please.
Sailboat.
And I believe that's under number 5 for the match.
Sailboat is right. Well, we're starting to make a little dent in that block of numbers. Let's see what happens now. Select.
Okay, I'll try number 14, please. Red take, and I believe that's under number 9.
9 is right. Natural match. Kurt's looking over to see what Gina has. She's got a dining room and his and her tennis outfit.
I think I'll save it.
All righty. Open it up.
Okay, I'll try number 23, please.
Deluxe vacuum cleaner.
I'll try number 22.
Nope, that's the diamond pin. Gina?
Okay, I believe we saw that under number 13, please.
Diamond pin?
And number 22.
There's a match.
Yeah.
There is a match. But what can you do with it, Gina? Can you solve the puzzle? Select.
Okay, number 8, please.
Whirlpool. Yeah, you were kind of upset that you...
Yeah, I wanted that whirlpool.
But you didn't make a match on that one earlier. Open it up.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay, let's see what's under number 17, please. Ooh,
Green take.
take. I believe we saw that under number 7.
Match, yes.
Yes.
And there's still a wild card in play. You can use the take to grab a sailboat, the mattress set, or a broiler rotisserie.
I think I'm going to keep it for insurance right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Open it up for her.
Okay.
There are but 3 more matches on the board, plus the wild card.
Okay. Let's see what's under number 12, please.
Microwave.
And I believe we saw that under number 10.
Deluxe vacuum cleaner. Kurt.
Okay, I'd like to see number 18, please. And
Microwave.
number 12 for the match.
Number 12 is a match. Would you like to use your take now?
As a matter of fact, I'll take the Whirlpool bath.
All right. Whirlpool bath coming over to Kurt Bonham.
I can use that.
And the microwave oven squares are opening up to reveal this. Pick again. Oh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance. Hands on your signaling buttons. We'll start revealing. Number 1. Gina.
Hanging from the rafters.
Is it hanging from the rafters for a win in the match? Yes, it is. Oh, Gina. We have just about given up hope. Let's go to the board. You've been here before. You know the drill. Explain it.
Okay, there's a man hanging. Hang, ink, F, rum, from, hanging from the raft, tears. Right here, hanging from the rafters.
Hanging from the rafters. Well done. Unfortunately, bad news for Kurt. 2 strikes against you, and that means we do have to say goodbye, and this time it's permanent. But we have some lovely parting gifts for you backstage.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
I had a
So
good
long,
time.
Kurt.
Bye.
All right, Gina, let's hear about your prizes. Gene's going to tell us again. Gene.
A diamond pin and his and her tennis wear. Sergio Tacchini's European-designed his and her outfits. A choice of activewear, tennis wear, and shoes in the latest fabrics and colors. Furnished by Sergio Tacchini. And a dining room. Keller's elegant provincial oak dining furniture. Solid oak with hand-glazed antique finish. Graceful French provincial design. Provincial oak furnished by Keller. And Gina, you have won a prize package totaling $2,974.
Hey, that's pretty good. That takes you up pretty close to the $10,000 mark. Gina just told me, she says, if I don't win the car this time, I'm going to be so upset. Well, then she's just got to win the car when we come back. Don't be nervous. Don't be shy. Because you're the girl who's going to win a brand new car.
Okay.
If you try. 15 numbered squares, 45 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 4,
Nope.
7, 4,
Nope.
1, 7.
Yes.
10, 13,
No.
2, 5,
No.
8, 10,
No.
4, 8,
Right.
11, 14,
No.
10, 14,
Right.
3, 11,
No.
2, 6,
No.
5, 9,
Yes.
12, 15,
Yes.
13, 3,
Yes.
2, 6,
No.
2, 11,
No.
6, 11.
She set him in time. She set him in time. I think Gina got it. Yes, indeed. Tell her, Gene.
Gina, you've just won this Toyota Corolla 2-door coupe. features a 1.6-liter, 4-cylinder, 16-valve twin-cam engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Furnished by Toyota. A price worth over $13,800.
Your earnings on Classic Concentration to $24,488. Congratulations to you, Tina. Let's take a break. Dean?
Some of today's participants may receive Sunset's multicolor faux stone floor lamp, hand decorated and textured white fabric shade with coordinated trim, furnished by Sunset Lamp Company. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Next time, song.
For production purposes, an unsolved puzzle was edited from the show. This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.